Hi everyone, let's talk about this. So if you are suffering with thyroid symptoms, fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, depression, anxiety, and you went to your doctor, they did a blood test, you have positive antibodies, and either they're not doing anything for you or they prescribe thyroid medication, and you can relate to this, drop a comment and share your experience because you're not alone. The reason why you're still having symptoms is because nobody's addressing the problem, which is your autoimmune thyroid. Now, if you've been prescribed thyroid medication, that's not addressing the immune system problem. It's part of the solution because you need thyroid medication because of the immune system is attacking cells. Now the thyroid can't keep up. So yes, that's part of the solution, but it's not going to fix you. It's not going to make you feel amazing again, typically, because you have to find out what's triggering your immune system to attack. And also consider that traditional medicine or the medical model does not treat Hashimoto's disease or an autoimmune thyroid. They treat the effects from the damage of the Hashimoto's disease, which is the thyroid hormone replacement, but they don't address the immune system problem. That is why you'll continue to have issues throughout your life until you have someone that will address it. Only dealing from the effects of the damage is not a bad thing. It's actually a necessary thing. And conventional medicine is really good at that, but they're not going to address the root cause, which that's where we come in. In fact, I own a medical integrative clinic where we take traditional medicine and we take natural medicine, combine the two, where we have an amazing results with patients because we take the best of both of them and mix it. Now you understand why nobody's helping you. You feel like you're getting tossed aside because they just don't treat it. This is where we come in. If you're struggling, we would love to help you. We have over 6,000 people that we've helped through this process and their health journey. Shoot us a DM if you want to reach out to us or schedule a free discovery call. And if you like these videos, send us a like and a follow. And lastly, don't give up. You deserve to feel awesome because you are.